Originally contacted to help with the BLM permitting process. We've been working through the BLM process, the Clark County process, getting all the permits and approvals to build a project on federally managed lands.
Studio Rondinone and Las Vegas Paving have developed a great working relationship. Seven Magic Mountains is a large-scale artwork by Ugo Rondinone. It comprises of 33 boulders and it is installed in the Nevada desert.
Average weight's probably about 40,000 pounds per boulder. I think the largest ones were 56,000 pounds.
Seven Magic Mountains is located a few miles south of Las Vegas. Visible across the desert landscape along Interstate 15, the 2-year installation sits a short distance from Nevada's legendary Jean Dry Lake, the site of several pioneering earthworks of the 1960s. Ushering Seven Magic Mountains from concept to completion took 5 years, multiple phases of fabrication, and a small army of engineers, consultants, and heavy lifters.